Hi all, today we are going to see overlay in Power BI. So overlay in Power BI means after completing the report in Power BI, we will be publishing the report in service. Then we'll be sharing the link to the end user. So once the end user open the link, right, they need to understand like why the visuals are there, what is the purpose of it. So to give them the information like the purpose of the report and the purpose of the chart, each and every report we have a visual and what is the meaning of it. So we will be preparing this overlay. So we can see how we can prepare it. First, we can go to a button. Here we can click on information button, keep it here. Then we will click this rectangular shape, cover whole screen like this. And change the color to black or and change the transparency to 73 or 72. Then what we can do is we will be having a shape called speech bubble. So we can use that. So for each and every chart, we can use this speech bubble and we can give the information. I have already uh, typed the information like purpose of the each and every chart like this. So what we can do is we can click on this particular speech bubble, go to switch on this text option here, paste the information for sales by segment. I have already copied the text. So according to your need, you can type the text, typing like this, pasting it, and change the background to white and text color to black and switch off the border. And it should point to this chart, right? So for that, what we can do is, if needed, we can go here and table can like so like this we can do. And round corner also we can do like this. We can increase or decrease. So if we can see here, I have given the information for sales by segment like this. The same thing I'll copy paste here, the speech bubble here, and I'll just change the text. Sales by country, right? Just see sales by country. Click on the speech bubble and changing the text here. So like this also we can change it. Change it and for each and every chart we can give an explanation. Then what we can do is we can go to view. There will be having bookmarks and selection. Click those two. Then what we need to do is we need to create a bookmark here, two bookmarks. So one is for overlay on and one more is for overlay off. Like this you can create it. So if you see here, we need to create bookmarks for all these shapes. So these shapes, whichever I have clicked, no, these four bubbles and this rectangular shape. So group it together, right click on this and group it together. And in switch overlay on, what we can do, you can switch off this data and you can select this option, selected visual. Only for the selected visual, it should, this bookmark should work. Same thing you need to do it for this. Uh, Uncheck this data and selected visual you can do. For these two, for overlay on, we can, what we need to do whenever we are clicking this bookmarks overlay on this group, this all five shapes, it should get displayed. Okay, for that it's already been selected, no, this group. So select this and select this bookmark, then click on this three ellipses and click on update. So this bookmark is done now. Next, you can go here. For that, what we can do, if this overlay bookmark is selected, the entire bookmark, shapes, it should get disappeared. So for that, you need to hide this visual here. By this, again, click on this group, click on this particular bookmark, click on this ellipsis, update it. So if you see, okay, for on also it's been updated. What we can do, we can click on this icon, again select here, select this, select update. See, if I click on off, the shapes it's getting disappeared. And if I click on, it's appearing. So this, it should work in information icon. So for that, what we need to do, we need to click on this information icon, go to action and this option like format button, switch on this action, click bookmark here and click overlay on. So whenever I am clicking this information icon, the overlay bookmark should appear. So in this overlay on, what is there? This group is there. In this group, those five shapes are there. That it should get appeared, right? So click this information. It is getting appeared. All these five shapes are appearing. So how to go back to the screen to the report? So this shape, if we click, automatically this action option will appear. Switch on this. We have already created a bookmark called overlay off, no? So this overlay off, you can click it. So what it will happen after clicking this overlay off, automatically this group of five shapes, it will get disappeared. So we can see how it works. If I click this, right, it goes. So now we can test it. So if I click on information icon, it's opening. This information icon is like all these five shapes are appearing. If I click on this rectangular shape, automatically the shapes are disappearing. This is how we can create the overlay in Power BI. So I hope this information is useful to you. Thank you.